Hello, welcome back to Defense Info, a one-step solution for all your defense need. So friends, today I bring you the detailed information regarding the SSB procedure for the NCC Special Entry Scheme. So this SSB procedure is similar for each and every entry of the armed forces. So this is a special series for the NCC Special Entry courses. So I will be discussing from the screening day 1 to the conference day 5. So friends, in the screening test which is conducted at the first day, and this is the stage 1, which is also known as the mini SSB of the procedure. So friends, here generally the reporting rate is as concerned for the NCC special entry is 160 to 250 candidates per batch. Sometime it exceeds 250 plus, and there are some cases when the reporting rate is 160, even below 160. So friends, it depends, but the average is 160 to 250. And talking about the screening test, it is common as the other board is concerned or the other entries is concerned. It is in the same similar fashion, and the success rate of this SSB through the NCC special entry for the army is around 8 to 20%. So friends, it's a fact that 8 to 20% are able to clear this first stage of the SSB, and after clearing this screening, you have stage 2. So in the stage 1 itself, you will be given first the officer intelligence rating test, which consists of verbal and non-verbal reasoning, and thereafter there are picture perception and discussion test. In this picture perception and discussion test, you will be provided a hazy picture, and this hazy picture you have to perceive what you can see from the picture within the 30-second of time interval, and after that you have to write the relevant detail on the sheet, and this detail includes the number of character which you have perceived, the gender, that can be male or female, and the age as well as the mood of the character. So mood of the character can be neutral, can be negative, can be positive, based on your thought process, whatever you have perceived from the picture. And friends, thereafter you will be provided 4 minutes to write down the story of whatever you have perceived, and this story contains your hero identification, your hero qualification, and the main problem that you going to execute. It is matter that it cannot be a problem, or it can be any type of situation which you have seen. The reaction that will be provided, that can be a around 10 to 11 line in between, and in a organized fashion. So friends, after writing the story, all the candidates will be divided into group of around 10 to 12 or 10 to 18 based on the strength. So friends, as NCC batches, there are more strength, so it can be around 18 to 20 per batch, per group. So per group 18 to 20, then you will be hold to narrate your story individually. And friends, here after the completion of the story, you will be provided like within the group, when the last person finish up his narration, automatically the group discussion will going to initiate. See friends, in this group discussion, what you have to do, you have to constructively come to a common consensus, a common story, and the main motto is to come to common story, and every individual have their right to give relevant point and to construct the story. Now friends, the common story which will going to come up, after that one person from the group shall be nominated to narrate the common story. So friends, this is the procedure of the day 1 screening, and it's the stage 1. And friends, a special thing about the OIR test, OIR test matters a lot. Friends, in the OIR itself, you will be getting around 17 to 35 minutes based on the OIR booklet that will be provided. So different booklet have different time constraint, and level of difficulty also depend on different booklets. So friends, it based on your luck which booklet you will be getting, and rest other thing is under your hand, your story, your narration, as well as your group discussion. Now friends, let's jump to the stage 2 of the procedure. Stage 2 of the procedure will go for day 2 to day 5. Those who clear stage 1 will be declare fit for the stage 2, and they will be under the process of testing. So the day 2, the after just day 1, there will be a day 2 where psychology test will be conducted. So friends, basic thing about the psychology test is that you will be provided 2 hours. In this 2 hour, your psychological process, like whatever you think, your personality, that will be judged, okay, in based of your psychology test. Your your mansa factor, what your thinking process, your thought process, that will be checked. The first thing that will be checked is your TAT means thematic apperception test. Then your VAT, that is word association test. Then the SRT and the SD. So friends, this TAT, VAT, SRT, SD, these are sequential. So first the TAT will be kind of a PPT, like you will be provided 4 minutes to write down a story based on a picture that will be shown over the screen for time interval of 30 seconds. So the TAT, it can be a picture that can be based on various other themes, that it can be a dynamic picture, it can be a neutral picture, it can be a stressful situation, it can be a accident, or it can be anything relatable. So a word association test, this will be for 15 minutes and 60 word will be provided. After 15 second, the next word will going to flash in the screen, and you have to write down the sentence based on the word. For example, if there is a word called leadership, so you have to write any sentence based on the leadership, like responsibility is a prerequisite to leader, right? Suppose a word comes like organization, so you can write organization run on cooperation. So friends, this type of VAT like word will be provided, and you have to write observational sentence, not factual, not negative or any other thing, but observational, positive, that will depict your personality, right? So it's a stimulus. And after which SRT, which is known as situation reaction test. So here will be a situation provided and you have to give your reaction. Such SRT will be around 60 and 30 minutes will be provided for doing the SRT booklet. And finally the SD, where 15 minute will be provided, and you have to write responses. SD means self description, so you have to write the responses, what your parents thinks about you, what your teacher or your employees think about you, what your friends or colleague think about you, what your perception about you, and what is your aim in life and quality which you want to enhance in life. So friends, this is the psychology test sequence. So just remember, this TAT is of 60 minutes, the most important one. And after every 30 second you will be given 4 minutes to write down story. Again a new picture will going to flash. So it will be of stimulus in nature, and I mean will be a continuous, so a time constant will be provided. So it basically to check your reaction from unconscious mind. VAT, where VAT checks from your subconscious mind, and SRT from your conscious mind. So all the mind process, your thought process, your way of thinking, your perceive, that will be checked whether your psychology is deemed fit for the armed forces requirement or not. That will be judged by the psychologist. So personal interview is based on your PIQ form. So after clearing stage 1 you will be provided PIQ form. So this PIQ form will be of, I mean 2 PIQ form generally is provided. In some board there are 3 PIQ which are being provided. Basically one PIQ goes to your psychologist and second goes to your personal interview, the personal interviewing officer. So in this PIQ means personal information questionnaire. So it is equivalent to resume in personal life. So based on that your interview will be conducted. So personal level interview, see in NCC you will be asked so many questions related to NCC as well, army as well, recent development and ongoing process, current affairs, current happening, and all those things will be provided. And apart from the main thing, your personality, your way of life, your social interaction, your interaction with friends, teacher, your favorite subject, your co-curriculum, your job, your employees, what they think about you, what your family thinks about you, what their weaknesses, what their qualities they have, or what qualities they like you, like about you. ठीक है, where you should progress, what is your hobbies, interests, your co-curricular activities including the sports related stuffs, everything correlated with cross questions. So this is only your personal level, and it depends person to person which question that can be asked, right? So group testing officer, that is known as GTO. See, GTO is conducted on the day 3rd and day 4th, where personal interview is conducted from day 2 to day 4 any day. ठीक है, from day 2 to day 4, whereas GTO is conducted day 3 and day 4. See, from group itself you can get an idea where you have to work on a group, and first thing that will be provided is a group discussion, where a general topics will be provided based on your geopolitics or social affairs, in which two topic, first topic 15 minutes will be provided, and you will be split in a group of 7 or 8, where you have to discuss, and discuss on a lead point, means a topic will be provided, and this topic will going to have 3 lead points, and you have to choose one lead point, and you have to give point to point, your point opinion on the within your the semicircle that will be provided to your teammates. So friends, next will come group planning exercise. See, planning is generally you have to plan a thing. So a map will be provided in front of you, and the GTO will give a proper instruction of the planning that you have to, the situation that will be provided to you. You have to write the solution of the situation based on the priority of the task, where you have to decide how will you go, at what speed you will go, how to prioritize the things. So which thing that will be provided, in case somebody is injured, we will give first aid to that person. Next thing, if there is any attack will going to take place, how will be approach, how to split the team. So it's all about splitting the team and doing in a proper teamwork. So where planning will be provided, you have to write your individual planning in a sheet, and after which there will be a group discussion, and where you have to come to a consensus what will be a proper common planning for the group. So in GPE you have to be logical, practical, and you have to be concrete and constructive as well as assertive. And friends, then PGT, for which I have made videos. I'll be sharing the link below. And friends, PGT is progressive group task. Well, series of tasks that will be provided. This task is kind of obstacle or puzzle. So these puzzle will be kind of structure, where you have to solve the structure, and you have to come to next structure, and finally you have to conclude each and everything. So friends, this PGT is about 8 groups. You have to do within the 8 groups, and the level of difficulty will increase by each and every stage. So there are be four level. So in each level, first level will be easy, second level will be quite difficult than the first level, then progressively the level of difficulty will increase till last. So HGT means half group task. This similar PGT will be where 8 men will be 8 candidate will be there. So it will be divided into half group, that kind of 3 or 4, and we have to we will be given a task that we have to perform within the given time constraint. And finally there will be FGT that will be conducted in the last day to have a final confirmation, final group task. One task will be provided which you have to do within the group, and there will be a lecturate. Lecturate is of 3 minutes, and you have to give your lecturate. Depend on the 4 topic that will be provided to you. You have to choose one topic. You will be provided 3 minutes, and you have to give a lecturate on that topic. See, it's kind of extempore speech what we do in the school. So then there is a command task. See, command task is a confirmatory part, where your performance, based on your performance, your command task will be provided. If the command task is difficult, that means you can sense that GTO is interested in you, right? So difficult command task means GTO is interested in you, and you have done well in your previous group tasking, right? Then individual obstacle, that means you will be provided 10 obstacle that you have to do within 3 minutes of time constraint, and each obstacle have some points. If the more the points, means the difficulty level is according to the point. So it is arranged in the depend on the difficulties. So friends, the GOR, group obstacle race, where you have to negate the obstacle with your group, and it is also commonly known as snake race, because a snake type of structure that will be provided, that you have to hold and you have to cross through in a group. So this is the group tasking. So conference in the day 5, your performance will be judged by the panel of officers there, based on your psychological response, your personal interview performance, and the GTO task performance. So in the conference they will discuss and they will call one after one based on your chest number, and they will have a final confirmation about you, whether to get, like whether to make you recommended or not, right? So recommendation is the day 5, they will be declaring the who got recommended or not. So generally stage 2 determines whether the candidate has the potential to be an officer in the Indian Army or not, and average recommendation in this NCC entry is 1:2 per batch. And friends, there are many batches which also get wash out, because the NCC entries recommendation is comparatively low than the other entries. But yes friends, there are cases when more than 2 got recommended, and even there are cases when 5 also got recommended in each batch. So it depends friends. Even there was a case then 6 got recommended in the boys batch. Even there was a case when 15 got recommended out of 66 in NCC batch in the Bangalore. So it depends on the performance of the group, your individual task and all, everything. See, if your batch is good, then number of recommendation will of course increase. So performance matter in the stage 2. Your performance is directly proportional to your recommendation. So friends, this is a basic detail about the stage 2. And friends, for your psychology test, your personal interview and group testing, I have made various videos that you can go through. For GTO and screening, I have made videos that you can check on the link. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, just you need to share this video among your friends and fellow defense aspirant, and do subscribe our channel for latest information. Click on the bell icon below. Till then friends, meet you very soon.